How to update Opera GX. If you want to make sure you're running the latest version of Opera GX, here's exactly how to update it step by step without losing your mods or settings. Step 1. Launch Opera GX and click the Easy Setup icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and click Go to Browser Settings or just press Alt+P to open settings directly. Step 2. In the settings sidebar, click About Opera GX. This will automatically trigger Opera to check for the latest version. Step 3. If there's a new update available, Opera GX will start downloading it right away. You don't have to do anything, just wait a few seconds. Step 4. Once the update finishes downloading, click Relaunch Now to restart Opera GX with the latest version installed. Step 5. After it restarts, go back to About Opera GX to make sure you're now using the latest version. It should say your browser is up to date. Just a little heads up, if you experience any bugs after updating, try clearing cache or checking your mods for compatibility. Some older ones may need a quick refresh. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.